Hi guys, so today I'm working on the cutout for the shifter. So I did draw the circle where I will put this. I will get only 3-point mount, but I think that should be enough. I did scientifically measure that middle of that is here. So if I cut it, I will try to cut it with the metal cutters, because this lip, it's thick. That's hard to get through. But once you get through, it's very easy to sew through it. So I will do that with hand tool so I can be more precise, I guess. And then I will take drill the mount points and just put this one. This one goes from inside, I guess. But we'll see about that. Maybe I will need to shave the edges so it fits from the inside. And then we have a skirt for our shifter. We get a skirt for our shifter, so it will sit like this. And I bought aluminum sheets, which will go to fill up this. Obviously, this needs to be, worked on so it looks better. So I will figure some kind of frame. I will just like smooth it. I will try to cut from here and make it all the way to this round, to this corner, so it looks seamless. Same for the top. We'll cut from here and go over there just to blend that in. And then I will take the metals. I will take the sheet of aluminum for this with the aluminum and put the cut hole there, and might take some vinyl and put over the aluminum the vinyl. We'll see about that. And I've seen like a circle surrounds, so maybe I will get one of those and just clip it in. We'll see. And anyway, for now I'm gonna be cutting, and I will start recording when it's cut out, and we'll see how it fits. There's no way back now. I'm drilling holes so I can then cut them like that, and it will just fall in. And my scientifically measured circle is there. I will just cut it, and this thing should fall in. So guys, the shifter is in. I got it on 3 bolts like I said, and now we need to catch that from bottom. But I think we'll be fine. So I'm gonna put this plate from bottom. I'll probably will have to cut it to fit it, and now tie these nuts, and that's shifter in. Then I need to fabricate the surround around the shifter. I have aluminum sheets here ready for that. And now obviously clean up this and here so it looks seamless. Alright, let's keep grinding. Okay, the shifter is tight. And now we can try how it's shifting. We have reach for all the gears. This is reverse, not hitting anything. And we have enough space, so it's dead on in middle. So I will fabricate something with those with that aluminum sheet, and keep going. And the rubber boot, what I will put over there, because now I still can see outside from it. So I have a rubber boot which goes all over the top of that. I will use these holes to screw that on. It's a big one, it goes all over that, and I will do some siliconing or something, and so we don't get grime inside. We'll see. I will figure something. I always do.